Guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to create a Python program to check whether the year entered is a leap year or not. So guys, what is the basic concept about a leap year program is when we want to check whether the year is a leap year, we have to check it using by two conditions. First, as you all know, leap year comes after every 4 years. So first thing you have to check is whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. So whatever is the number, if the number is divisible by 4, there are chances that it may be a leap year, except when the year is a century year. And if the year is century year, means if the last two digit in the year is 00, means it is a century year, like 2000, 1900, 1800, these all are the century years. So when there is a condition of century year, we have to check it if the century year is perfectly divisible by 400 or not. Like as you can see over here is 2017 is not a leap year, and here as you can see 1900 is perfectly divisible by 4, but we have to check it again whether it is perfectly divisible by 400 or not, because if it is not divisible by 400, it is not a leap year. So when we divide it by 400, it doesn't gives us the remainder as 0. It is not perfectly divisible by 400, so it is not a leap year. Here as you can see 2012, it is divisible by 4, hence it is a leap year. And second is 2000, it is a leap year also because it is divisible by 4 as well as with 400. So guys, let's write the code for this, and let me show how it works. So guys, for this program what I have done, first I have entered a year for which we want to check whether the year is leap year or not. Here I have entered year equals to 1900. Then I have used 3 if statements and 3 else statements for each. If year is divisible by 4 and if it is perfectly divisible, then we will move into the second condition to check whether the year is century year or not. If year is divisible by 100, that is if it is equals to 0, then we will again go to another condition, that is this will be the condition of century year. If it is divisible by 100, that is 1900, 2000, 3000, this will be the century year. So we have to check whether the number is divisible by 400. So we will use another if statement, that is if year is divisible by 400. So if the three conditions satisfy, then we can say that the year is a leap year. That is guys, first we will check if the year is divisible by 4. Secondly, we will check if it is a century year or not. If it is a century year, we will again divide it by 400, and then if all the three conditions works perfectly, then we will print the number is a leap year. Else guys, if the number is not divisible by 400, else we will print the number is not a leap year. For this if statement, the else statement will be if year is not divisible by 100, that is it is not a century year. So we don't have to check this condition of if it is not a century year, we don't have to multiply divide it by 400. So we can directly print over here else the number is a number is a leap year. And if the number is not divisible by 400, it is obvious that it will not be leap year anyhow. So we'll just print over here else print 0 is not a leap year. So guys, this program basically contains of 3 if statement and 3 else statement. For each if statement there is an else statement. So guys, this was a concept to find out and run how to create a program to check whether the year is leap year or not. So let's run this program and check it out how it works. So guys, I have entered the year equals to 1900, and what it gives me in output is 1900 is not a leap year. We all know that. Next I will enter 2016. Sorry guys, I will change the value over here of year 2016 and run this program. What it shows me, (2016) is a leap year. You all know that 2016 was a leap year. Now let me change the value to 1997. 1997 is not a leap year. So guys, this was the program to check whether the year is a leap year or not. You can download the source code. The link to the source code is given in the description below. That's it from the this program. Thank you guys.